Welcome back to Technologica. Ready for a quick dip into the latest tech waves?
Always diving in head first.
Well, today's current is pretty fascinating, even if it seems like a ripple at first. We're talking ChatGPT, but with a twist, it's coming to your desktop as a Windows app.
Yeah, and that little ripple, making some
not-
serious waves in the tech world.
It really is. I mean, we've already got ChatGPT hanging out in our browsers, right?
Yeah.
So what's the big deal about a dedicated app? That's what we're going to unpack today. Just a quick refresher for anyone tuning in for the first time. ChatGPT is this crazy powerful AI chatbot made by the folks at OpenAI. And, I mean, this thing can do it all right. Poems, code, scripts, even musical pieces. And that's not even mentioning emails, letters. Basically, if you can think it, ChatGPT can probably write it.
Oh, absolutely. And it doesn't just stop at writing. Ask it a question, any question, easy, tough, even downright weird ChatGPT will find a way to give you a solid answer.
It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia at your fingertips.
Yeah.
They can also compose a sonnet.
Exactly. And here's the thing with this whole dedicated app launch. It's a total game changer for OpenAI strategy. They're shifting gears, taking ChatGPT from a super cool tool used mostly by us techies and early birds to something everyone uses every day.
So it's all about going mainstream, becoming more everywhere.
Precisely. Think about it. Soon you'll be able to pull up ChatGPT with a quick keyboard shortcut, Alt plus space, just like that. That kind of ease and always there access could make it as normal as using, say, a word processor or even a spreadsheet.
That's a great point. It's not about AI being this shiny new toy anymore. It's about weaving it into how we work seamlessly. Makes sense why they want to bring a wider audience on board. It almost feels like, I don't know, like OpenAI wants ChatGPT to be the new normal for how we use computers. Like we're moving beyond just typing or clicking around.
Right. It's a really interesting thought, and it speaks volumes about what this technology can really do. Imagine, instead of having to open up a million different programs for all the stuff we do, writing, research, to-do lists, whatever, you've got this one AI assistant right there, ready to handle it all, and all you got to do is ask.
Like having a superpowered sidekick for your desktop.
Exactly. And this whole push towards deeper integration, it's everywhere. Look at OpenAI's latest move, partnering up with Bain & Company. They're serious about bringing ChatGPT to the business world, aiming to make things smoother, faster, more productive, the whole 9 yards.
Hold on. So it's not just about making our lives easier. They're aiming to change how businesses actually work at a fundamental level.
Oh, absolutely. This could be huge. We're talking about ChatGPT drafting reports, crunching data, even creating presentations.
Yeah.
All powered by some seriously smart language processing.
This is getting huge fast. Makes you wonder if, if the big software names are starting to sweat a little.
It's definitely shaking things up, no doubt. And get this, it's not just a Microsoft party anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, rumors are flying about OpenAI cozying up to other tech giants, Oracle being the big one. Now, we don't have all the juicy details yet, but it tells you OpenAI is playing the long game here. They're not just building a tool. They're aiming to make ChatGPT the foundation of how we use tech, period.
It's like we're getting a sneak peek at the future of computing. But, with big leaps forward, there are always maybe some bumps in the road. What are your thoughts on that?
Right. It's super important to remember that any tech this powerful, it's going to come with challenges. Like, think about data privacy and security. When you've got an AI assistant plugged into everything you do, keeping that info safe, that's got to be priority number one.
For sure. And then there's the question of, can everyone actually use this? Are we going to see a digital divide where some people get left behind if ChatGPT becomes the new standard?
Those are all really important things to think about. It highlights why we need to keep talking about this, keep the ethics front and center, especially as AI digs deeper into our lives.
Absolutely. This whole desktop app thing, it's just the tip of the iceberg, a sign of what's to come. It's a good reminder, too, we're not just along for the ride anymore when it comes to tech. The choices we make, how we use these tools, it's all shaping where things go next.
Couldn't agree more. The future of AI, it's not set in stone. It's a conversation we're all part of.
So true. Looks like we've got plenty to unpack as ChatGPT keeps evolving. We want to hear from you, listeners. Are you stoked about having ChatGPT on your desktop, or are you feeling a little unsure? Head down to the comments and tell us what you think. This has been Technologica.
And now you know.